Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to change the default printer in Windows. It's a simple process that can make your life a whole lot easier. So let's start. First, go to this search bar here and search for Control Panel. So once you are in the Control Panel window, please look for Devices and Printers. Here, and then you'll see a list of all the devices and printers connected to your computer. Find the printer you want to set as your default. It should have a green check mark icon next to it, indicating it's the current default printer. So to change the default printer, simply right click on the printer you want to make default and select as default printer. So for example, I want this to be my default printer. Just right click on it and then set as default printer. So here it's Epson L5190 series. So click that and then click OK. And that's it. You now know how to change the default printer in Windows. It's a handy skill to have, especially if you use multiple printers and want to ensure your documents always print to the right one. Before we wrap up, remember that keeping your default printer up to date can save you a lot of hassle. So if you get a new printer or need to change your default again, just follow these steps in the control panel. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to change the default printer in Windows. See you on my next video.